used to have each other's playlists. No, no, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah, and now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah, and maybe we could try and...
We are going to Whistler Village right now. I don't know where it is, but it looks so nice. And we're just in this, like, the upper part of the parkade.
Again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time, but everything I see still reminds me of you.
No, maybe not.
Like a the memories of when I kissed you.
We are sitting at this huge table having a conversation. We're having a meeting. Okay, this is how big it is. It's that big. And I was sitting on that. Nothing's stuck in there.
See above this.
I know. This is supposed to be like... Anyways, it's not made for our size. For me to like even go here, like... Look at this. Yeah.
We belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things.
Try to sit on my slide off. Imagine being short, I'm not sliding off.
This is what the waiting for.
Say your famous line.
Lisa, I want some more. What? No.
We have our bowls. So you fill your bowl with whatever ingredients you want and then they'll cook it for you. I am wearing my dad's hoodie because it was cold and I didn't bring anything else.
The memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We used to have each other's playlists. No, no, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah, now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. And maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time, but everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things.
Everyone's eating and I haven't even tried it yet because I was taking pictures.
The memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. deserve better. You stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever.
They just placed a candle here at our table and was like, here's some ambience for you. Yeah, he like stuck his fingers in.
What is that? Thank you. I don't look old. I think I look my age.
Yeah, I agree. We're done eating, and now we're gonna eat our fortune cookies. I see the French sign. I'm gonna use my French knowledge.
Oh
It
no.
says OC, so I don't want to say it. My accent's gonna sound so bad. OC, sociable. So, I don't know how French sounds, to be honest. Can you read it? Okay, based on the French part, I'm gonna say
Read the whole thing.
we. What is it?
No, say the whole thing. In French.
Vous êtes aussi sociable que charmante. I don't know how French sounds, okay? Anyways, it says we, something also sociable. No, vous is you guys. You guys are also sociable and charming. Wait. It says you're both sociable and charming. That is not a fortune, but that is true. Just sitting down. Ready?
Keep your ideas flexible and don't ignore details.
Oh, well. Wait. We have to talk about
Used to be each other's best friends, yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine, yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think what's I say.
She's imitating me. She's irritating me. Fucking people. Being captured prisoner. I have a pig. You do the honk. Go. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my brother George. This is my brother George. George will not let me walk around.
How to jigsaw puzzle.
Okay,
We just ate a Jeffrey jigsaw puzzle.
off of me. Jeez, leave me alone.
But who cares? You said that we're all.
We're going to the cow store. I'm so excited. We're almost at the cow store. I almost said cat store. It's a cow store.
Over, hands under covers alone this time, but everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together.
Chicken wings.
Me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah. Since our break, I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better. You stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember together. Me and